Hi, I'm Carla Dimattina from Ritam Studio. This is a short core focus workout, and we're going to really be concentrating on our obliques, our side abdominal muscles. But whenever we're working out our core, we are using it all. So let's come down onto our side here. You're going to be on your elbow. Your top leg will be in front of your bottom leg. So just set that position up here. Your elbow is underneath your shoulder, not forward of it and not back. Use your hands, use your feet, use your elbow to lift your hips up. All of those points are working here. Push through your feet, push through your arm. Now you will already be working hard just to hold this position. We're going to slowly lower the hip and lift. Your hand can be on your hip or behind your head. Slowly lower and lift. This is going to be very short, but very punchy. Let's take 4 more here. 2 more. And then hold it at the top. If you need to rest, this is the moment. Then you're going to take your top elbow to touch your bottom hand and come back up. Again, rotate. When you're doing this, you're keeping your hips up. You're arching over a barrel. So imagine there's a barrel underneath you and you cannot drop the side body. And up. Let's take 3 more here. You do not need to go all the way to touch the hand if it's too hard. 2 more. On your next one, stay at the top. Lift the top arm up. Then bring it down so you're on your forearms and you're pushing your heels back so you're in a forearm plank. Hold here, take a moment to gather your breath. We've just done a lot of intense work on the side body. Push your heels back and at the same time push your hands into the mat like you're trying to split it in two and feel how that works through the center of your body. Slowly lower your knees and come to child's pose. Then push through your feet, round the spine to come forward. Now you'll be on your hands. Curl your toes under, lift the knees up so you're in a plank here. Slowly take your left hand to your right shoulder and then lower it down. Right hand to your left shoulder and lower it down. What you're trying to do here is keep your hips in line. When you go to lift one hand, I don't want your hips dropping to the side. Keep going. We're tapping shoulders. Keep pushing the heels back. No movement other than your hand leaving the mat, touching your shoulder. Let's take 1 more each side. And then come back to center. Hold here, push the heels back, slowly lower the knees, sit back to child's pose. Push through the feet as you round all the way forward. Curl the toes under again, lift the knees and hold. Right knee goes to your left elbow, so we're crossing the body here. Right knee to left elbow, left knee to right elbow. Take it slow, we're not running here. It's lifting one foot, drawing it across the body. Push the mat away from you so you're stabilizing through your shoulder blades. Really important when you're working your core in these positions that you have stable shoulder blades. Let's take 1 more each side. Good, come back to center. Take a moment to come up, bend your knees in down dog. Let your head go, enjoy this moment. Lift the heels and hips, ripple forward. Come to your plank, push the heels back. Lower your knees. We're now going to go on to our other side. So you're going on to your left elbow. Right foot is in front. Line it up and then lift your hips up by pushing through your feet and through your arm. Hold here. Hand behind the head. Slowly lower the hips and lift. So they are little hip dips here. I am keeping my hips stacked. It's not all the way back and it's not all the way forward. It's directly down and up. Straight away we go into that side oblique. Go 2 more. On your next one, hold it at the top. Top elbow rotates and comes back to center. Again, curl and then open. Really create space here. Remember, the barrel is underneath you, don't touch it. Lift the hips, rotate the upper body, come back. Let's take 3 more here. If you need a break at any moment, please take it. 1 more. Come back and hold. Lift the top arm up. Bring it down. So we're into that forearm plank again. Push the heels away, push the arms into the mat. Find the shoulder blades. This should feel quite relieving after doing what we just did. Hold it here. Then slowly lower the knees. Sit back into child's pose. Lengthen between your tailbone and your fingertips. Let your forehead drop to the mat. As you inhale, expand through the belly, and as you exhale, let more length come between your tailbone and your fingertips. Take 2 more breaths like that. And then on your next one, push through the tops of the feet, round the spine to come forward. Open the chest up, hold. Great job. As I said, short but punchy. We have many more short format core focus videos here on Ritam Studio's YouTube channel. Or you can go straight to ritam.studio, our online platform, where you'll find all of my chain movement classes, all the foundations broken down, and lots of longer format classes to join too.